Picture this: a single drone soaring over vast fields, capturing detailed images, analyzing crop health, and spraying nutrients, all managed from your smartphone. This is the new face of agriculture, powered by Agri-Drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles are transforming farming, making it smarter, faster, and more precise than ever before. Agri-Drones are designed for a range of tasks: monitoring crop health, mapping fields, spraying fertilizers and pesticides, analyzing soil, and even estimating yields. With high-resolution cameras, multispectral sensors, and GPS mapping, they enable farmers to practice precision agriculture. That means using just the right amount of water, fertilizer, or pesticide exactly where it's needed, saving resources, reducing costs, and protecting the environment. Across the globe, drones are replacing manual inspections and labor-intensive methods. This shift not only saves time and money, but also reduces human error and helps farmers respond quickly to crop stress or disease. The numbers tell the story. In 2024, the global agri-drone market was valued at $2.74 billion. By 2030, it's expected to reach over $10 billion, with some forecasts predicting a staggering $67 billion by 2035. North America leads the market, but the Asia-Pacific region, including India, is catching up fast, driven by the need for efficient, sustainable farming. New drone models like the Quantum Systems Trinity F90 are pushing the boundaries with modular sensors for mapping and environmental monitoring. Regulatory. Bodies are also opening doors, as seen with the recent approval of Agri-Drone for commercial use in the US. In India, agri-drones are gaining traction not just on large farms, but also among small and medium farmers, offering a path to higher yields and better resource management. As technology advances, drones are being equipped with new sensors for soil moisture and environmental data, further boosting their impact. The rise of agri-drones signals a pivotal shift toward data-driven, sustainable agriculture. With investment and innovation accelerating, the sky is quickly becoming as important as the soil for the future of farming.